Oftentimes, we are told that we have to completely overhaul our lives. We have to change everything that we do, and we have to do it tomorrow. Well, the truth of the matter is, that is not true, and most of us are not able to do that. So we become overwhelmed, we become discouraged, and then we start back at step one. The important thing here is to know that every step counts. Small steps, big steps, tiny steps, all of it counts. And if you learn how to adjust your life just one baby step at a time, if you did that once a week, you would have made 52 changes throughout the year. And these are sustainable changes because you've made them one step at a time. You've realized that you don't require a complete overhaul. In fact, who you are probably is already good enough. What you need is to maximize what you're currently doing, and that can be done one step at a time. So if we're talking diet, we don't have to completely overhaul our diet. We might start off with including one vegetable at a time. If we're talking exercise, we don't have to be at the gym 1.5 hours a day. We don't have to be lifting major weights. We don't have to be doing that unless, of course, you are going on Muscle Woman's magazine, then maybe you do have to do that. But if your goal is to achieve a healthy, sustainable lifestyle, then I promise you, you can do it. You want vitality. You want energy. You want to be healthy. And believe me, any studies will tell us that changing our lifestyle is a big part of that. Taking a medication does not make up for lifestyle. Taking a supplement or an herb does not make up for lifestyle. So what you want is somebody that's going to talk to you about science-based, evidence-based lifestyle changes that can work for you.